Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make my quick and easy lemon pie. So let's get started. So I have a 9-inch ready-made pie crust, or you can make your own. I have one container of Jello. It's lemon Jello. It's 1 ounce, and it's the sugar-free. I also have one container of Cool Whip, which is 8 ounces, and that's also sugar-free. So what I'm going to do is place this lemon Jello into the Cool Whip, mix it, and then pour it into my pie shell, leave it in the fridge for a couple hours, and that's how simple and easy this pie is. So take this whole container of Cool Whip, place it in your bowl. So the Cool Whip is in my bowl. Now I'll open up my lemon Jello. This is an instant pudding mix, sugar-free. Now I'll mix it until it's well combined. This pie is so quick and easy to make too. Now that it's well combined, I'll scrape the sides of the bowl, and then I'll pour it into my 9-inch ready-made graham cracker crust. So now I'll scrape the sides. I want to make sure it's mixed good. Now I'll pour it into my pie shell. Once it's in your pie shell, just kind of spread it around so it's even. And that's what it will look like. So now I'll place this in my fridge for a couple hours till it firms up. So into the fridge it goes. It's been a couple hours, so now I'll take the pie out of the fridge. I'll put one on my plate. This is a quick and easy pie to make. So now I'll give it a try. This is really good. Deserves a second bite. Very good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make this quick and easy lemon pie. Give it a try. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.